Yes, they don't want to get anything in their book.
He said you're loud and ridiculous. Nothing we can do. Gee, sorry guys. How was it? We are the bear for me. I was having a fun. I tried to go enjoy yourself. Mom, you. This morning I promised my friend about that I get him to the fair, and I will not enjoy myself until I do. And I know just the guy who can help me. Look at this. Active telegraph. Minimum, we can use the help we have baseball.
Check it out. Kyle plays number 88 of American Dragon, where Henry Brooklyn plays Jake's sister, Haley Knowles, and Emily's guest role is Jason Knowles, who's on Hannah Montana with Mitchell Musso, where Ashley half gets starred, which connects